Hello, I am Bob. This is my channel about success, money and investment. Today I will introduce you ways to make passive income online. Earning money has typically been associated with and restricted to traditional offline route. With the internet taking over a large part of our lives, more people are looking to ways to earn money online to increase their financial inflows, with secondary income streams. With a situation involving more time at home and or more free time in general, maybe fewer working hours for some of you might have some free time on hands. I will show you a few ways that can help you earn money online. Before we move on, don't forget to check out my channel for similar content and hit the like and subscribe button to support the channel. Language translating. Knowing a language other than your native language may even help you earn some extra money. There are several websites that offer translation projects that require translating a document from one language into another. This may include English, Spanish, French, Arab, German, or any other language to or from your native language. For many, this can make the task rather time-consuming and therefore they hire translators available online from anywhere across the globe. Online tutoring. If you are an expert in a particular subject, you can earn by tutoring people online. Online tutoring means to connect online with students of all ages, across the country to provide homework help and tutoring in the subjects for which you have demonstrated expertise. Starting your own website. There is enough material available online to help you put together a website. This includes choosing the domain, templates, layout and the overall design for your website. Once ready to service the visitors with the relevant content, sign up for Google AdSense, which when appear on your website and clicked on by visitors, help you make money. The more traffic you get on your website, the more will be the potential for higher earnings. Affiliate marketing. Once your website is up and running, you could opt for affiliate marketing by allowing companies to insert web links onto your site. This is like a symbiotic partnership. When visitors to your site buy products or services by clicking on such links, you earn out from it. Content writing. Online platforms can be a good starting point. Depending on the quality of the articles, one gets paid. One may be asked to work upon articles with specific guidelines as well. Develop a niche in your area of expertise and build strength in that domain to increase the revenue stream. Social media management strategy. In addition to interacting with friends and strangers, social networking platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat can be used to make money. Blogging. It starts with a hobby, interest, and passion and soon blogging becomes a career option for many bloggers. There are a number of full-time bloggers. There are two ways to start a blog. You can either create a blog through WordPress or Tumblr, which requires no investment, or go for a self-hosted blog. Selling your products online. If you want to sell products online, you may can it by creating your own website. As there's a lot of competition and several existing websites in place already catering to this market, an attempt to create a niche in terms of products may be considered. YouTube. If you are not comfortable in penning down your thoughts through blogs and content writing, make use of your camera to create a video presentation. Kindle Ebook. If writing books interests you, one option you can exercise is self-publish ebooks and reach millions of readers on Amazon. Publishing takes less than 5 minutes and your book appears on Kindle stores worldwide within 24 to 48 hours. If you like the video about the ways to make money online, like and subscribe to my channel to be the first to get the updates about life planning, finances, investing, and being successful.